You searched how to buy shares of A10 Networks Inc., and this video will show the steps. A10 Networks provides application delivery and security solutions, listed on NASDAQ under the ticker ATEN. This is educational content and not financial advice. You need a broker to buy the stock. Here we use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will be asked to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and to add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search box and type the ticker ATEN to find A10 Networks Inc. Double-check the company name and exchange to make sure you locate the correct listing. On the A10 Networks page, you will see basic company information in a price chart. Review these details carefully. Confirm the listing is the correct NASDAQ A10 stock before proceeding. To invest, click Buy. Enter the amount you want to allocate. Review your order type and settings, then confirm. If the market is closed, your order will be queued or executed when the market reopens, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will request you to top up before the trade is finalized. After the trade executes, your A10 Networks position will appear in your portfolio. For convenience, the eToro link is in the video description if you want to explore the platform shown.